Common smut of maize. The common smut of maize is one of the disease, particularly it is found in the USA. Worst disease means it is a huge damage disease in corn. In India, it is the most confined to the Himalaya, the Kashmir Valley, and West Bengal. When it comes to the symptoms of the disease is, here this disease is going to cause the galls are infected to the maize plants, which were the above ground, means aerial part. The gall are formed on the ears, axillary buds, fauces, stalks, and sometimes on the leaves also these symptoms were found. These are enlarges, the symptoms are going to be enlarges from the initial stage to the severe stage. They are light color, almost all in the white color. The galls are at the young seedlings are targeted, and that can be resulted in the death of the plant. Embryonic tissue is going to be damages and plants are going to be infected. When it comes to the causal organism of this common smut of maize, the disease is caused by Ustilago maydis. The Ustilago maydis is spes that should be spherical in the nature to the ellipsoids, 8 to level in the kilometers. This should be black and these walls showing the spiny ornamentations. These are going to be spaced the germination to produces the saplings. Pre-mycelium also found the beers and ovate unicellular sporidia found in the Ustilago maydis. We can see here clearly the symptomological characteristics here. The disease cycle of the pathogen, the smut spares may be carried on the seed coat, but this type of perination is not usually responsible for the infection. The infection of the host takes place through pons or natural opening, and the initial infection stems from the airborne space sporadics. Particularly, this is going to be found other plantation crops also infected by the same Ustilago species. That is about coffee rust. This coffee rust, leaf rust, is not only one of the most disease infected, but it should be ranked classical plant disease of the international importance. This other plantation of the crops, particularly the coffee leaf rust, produces the yellow-orange powdery blotches on the lower surface of the leaves found, which may collapse with other forms of the irregularity of the shape solutions also found. And this clase is restricted to the leaves, but one rare occasionally this also found in the berries and young shoots. The causal organism of this coffee rust is responsible, that is a rust Hemilia vaswexi. The rust is hypopilous densely. This can be found on the surface of the coffee leaves. The symptoms like yellowish, orange, rounded blotches are found about 2 to 25 centimeters or more in the diameters. The disease cycle of this has been found that sheltering the vine, intermittent rain, and due most ample light overhead shades. And this particular disease also found in the temperature ranges. And this can be severe reaches to attain at high temperature. The air currents may also responsible for a long range of intercontinental dispersals. 2 species of thrips have been found feeding on the aiding and the dispersal of teliospores in India. Thank you.